This is another nice part about the festival. Just chilling out at the end. Everyone's gone. Everyone's packed up mostly. That's the little ferry. This was all packed, full of tents. Last year I was parked up right at the back field and we had to walk through those sheds. The main stage is all gone down now. Yeah, this little beauty, she's in for clutch. Bleeding clutch. Apparently, yeah, it's quite a thing to do. It's not just a clutch bleed, but hey ho, there you go. Happy days. See you all soon. Love to one and all of you.